because of the enormity of the houses, वो सारा fire वो घर में रुक जाता था, and there was no effective fire. We decided कि there's no choice but to physically go in. When we are aware they are hardcore militants, well equipped, they have armor-piercing bullets. We have in Rashtriya Rifles Battalion, the equipment is very good, man. So we have been equipped with shields, ballistic shields. In Rashtriya Rifles. So we briefed our buddies कि भाई तेरा काम सिर्फ इतना है, you have to hold the shield intact. Tight. Because those shields are very heavy. Yes. 30, 40, 50 kgs की shields होती हैं ना. अगर कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, you cannot hold that shield above your knee for more than 2-3 minutes. The moment तुम्हारे यहाँ से shield छूट गई, all 4 of us probably will be dead or hit. Both of us, both the officers were taking our aim above that shield because that shield covers you. So any which ways your half of the head is exposed if you're taking an aim shot. I tried looking inside the gully with a little peep inside, and I could instantly see 2 people standing there. So the moment I saw him, that was the first time my experience ki itni pass se you see that and that eyeball to eyeball contact. He's just hardly 10 meters from us. I had to about to start my fire and shifted inside. I could literally see him throwing something towards me, but it was too late to react. Obviously, ma'am, he lobbed a grenade towards me. Sitting बैठे ही मैं. Grenade का जैसा हमें पता होता है, grenade का killing radius is 50 meters, and we were 10 meters short of him.
ये बताइए कितने seconds में grenade फटता है?
So maximum it can be up to 4 seconds. So it was
maximum is 4 seconds.
Maximum is 4 seconds.
And 4 seconds just got over.
Yes, generally militants carry their Chinese grenades, man. जिसका 2 या 3 सेकंड का फ्यूज होता है. We started firing. We fired the entire magazine. We were firing. The grenade also blasted at the same time. There was all dust all around. Entire dust settled down. So when I peeped inside, so both the guys were
on the ground,
left and right. Finally, he keeps his shield and then turned towards me. कि साहब मर गया दोनों. Or then he is stunned. He is looking with a little surprise. मैं क्या हुआ? मतलब आपको blood आ रहा है आँख के पास में. By the time I put my hand on my left eye, my entire hand was soaked in blood.
Okay.
I was hit, ma'am, in my left eyelid.
A splinter came hitting you?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
So a splinter got hit on my left eye.
Okay.
And later I was told that the 2 splinters, metal pieces, had been lodged inside my eye and they will remain there. So eye department के जो head of the department, the first expression that he gives me, that you are one lucky chap.